Radiant solar racking has for over 10 years been solving installation headaches with proven fast and easy mounting systems for installers. The new Radiant Adjustable Easy Tilt system is both affordable and easy to use. The Radiant Adjustable Easy Tilt racking system can be set up at different pitched angles between 10 and 20 degrees. Capable of being installed on a wide range of Australian roofs. The Radiant base rail connects with tin and trim deck systems, tile systems, clip lock systems, sandwich panel systems. The Radiant rail connects with an easy connection of the base rails. Be competitive with your project costs by using this amazing Radiant Adjustable Easy Tilt. We can't wait for you to try it. Get your solar systems installed faster and easier with Radiant Solar Racking. If you would like to learn more about Australia's fastest racking system, contact us today.